Hello, good evening. Kay gabi na di subong sa akon. Subong, as you can see sa present ko nga screen, this is going to be our second week sa MAPE Health. And you have another module for this week to answer. Okay? So the title of this module is Community Health Problems and Health Action Project Implementation. So if you can still remember, in our first discussion, we already discussed this one. Okay? So we will go through, we will just review the different discussions that we had last week. Okay? So amo ni ang unod sa inyong module. Okay. So ang first nga activity nyo is I will check on this. Okay? So you just need to write true or false, the same instruction man gyapon. I will check on this. You write, I will check on this. Then number your paper 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Then you answer true or false. Okay? So the instruction is write true if the statement is true. If otherwise, write the word false if it's not true. Write your answer on the space provided, but this time, isulat nyo sa one whole sheet of pad paper. Pero sa akon nga remote online learning sa grade 9 ayo din, ang inyo ya is given sa aton nga Google Classroom. So you just need to write true or false. Okay, I will check on this activity. So, discuss na ang community health problems last time. So, we already discussed perennial community health problems. Magambal kita gani, perennial problems, amo ni ang mga gasulit-sulit nga problema, ang mga reoccurring, ang mga problems that are cycled to happen, wala na blauntat, galiwat-liwat na lang. So, we have the following: peace in order, waste disposal, community, health problems, food sanitation, disease control, human excreta, sewage, water supply, drug abuse. Okay? So these vary according to factors like economy, politics, geography, culture, social context. There are places which experience community health problems like waterborne and communicable diseases, armed conflict, natural disasters, highly urbanized zone, overpopulated areas. Okay? So this time, i-discuss naman ni ang mga materials by kind, composition, and sources. We have garbage. So this is the composition kung din siya gahalin, amo ning tawag na sources. Rubbish, amo ni ang composition niya kag kung din siya gahalin. Okay? We have ashes, street refuse, dead animal, abandoned vehicle, industrial waste, demolition waste, construction waste, special waste, sewage treatment residue. Okay? Discuss naman ang waste disposal, kung ano ang silingon niya. So, solid waste management. We have the following: control of generation, storage of collection, transfer and transport, processing, disposal of solid waste. The preceding definition of solid waste states in accordance with the best principles of public health, economics, engineering, conservation, aesthetic, public attitude. So we discussed the following: how solid waste is being followed: compostable, recyclable, non-recyclable, and non-compostable waste, special waste, hazardous household waste, syringes, body fluid. Okay? So, we have the following na discuss na naman ni. Let's narrow down into different problems: soil erosion, illegal mining, deforestation, coral reef degradation, flash flood, oil pollution, oil spill, and pollution. So we have the community health problem or community health action project implementation. So this time you will create a program to be implemented in your community. So the Philippines among the countries with the fastest lost forest cover and around the world. So we have the following: pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution. Okay, amo ni ang mga nainlain nga mga types of pollution. So we have also the effects of environmental problems. Ano ang mga environmental problems? We have deforestation, flash flood, soil erosion, oil spill, coral reef, illegal mining. Ano ang mga effects niya? Amo ni. Okay? So we have the different organization, department. We have DepEd, DPWH, POPCOM, DBM, PNRC, NNCDOH, DND, PEA, DA, PMA, DILG, NEDA, and PHA. So your first activity that you need to answer in your one whole sheet of pad paper is I will do this. This is the second activity. Ang first nga activity amo to ang true or false. This time, second activity nyo, you write, I will do this, and then, you copy this table. Kapiyon ni sa inyong intermediate pad. Okay? Then, instruction, column A, list the different kind of refuse. Write down examples of refuse. Choose from the box. Butlingon, diri ka mo ma-answer. Diri sa examples. So, din yung kaon ang answer diri sa sulod nga box. Okay? So, this is the kind of rubbish. Okay, ano ang mga example niya? Okay, so you refer to this area for you to identify the answer. Next is I learned this. Sulat nyo na I learned this, then you copy the drawing. Okay, recall the problems encountered in your community today. Write the worst problem in the outermost part of the circle. Write the least in the innermost part of the circle. Okay? Isulat nyo di ko na ang mga community problems that you have encountered. Sa gamay, ang least possible nga mga na-encounter nyo up to sa pinaka-grabe nga mga problem in your community nga na-encounter nyo diri sa bigger side. So, after you answer that drawing, you copy the process question in your intermediate pad and refer to the rubrics kung paano ka muskuran. So, you copy number 1, what did you answer in the outer part of the circle and why? Okay, you write it there. Ano kuno ang gin-answer mo sa outer part ng circle, dari yung outer niya siya sagwa. Okay, outer part of circle. Nga aamo na ang sabat mo. So, you write it here, you explain, you expound your answer. Okay? Kung paano ka skuran, amo ni. Lantawon mo ni. Okay? Next, number 2, what was your answer in the innermost part of the circle? Sa sulod ko no, sa pinakagamay, ano di ang sulat mo? You write it here and you write the reason why nga ara siya sa sulod. Nga siya ang pinaka-least nga mga community problem nga na-encounter mo. Siya lang ang pinakagamay. Okay, nga problematic. Next, we have I practice this. What to understand as a student, you have a role in the promotion of a healthy environment, especially in your household, school, and community. This is your chance to help eradicate community problems by completely the following statement. Okay, you just need to continue the statement. Okay, you write what to understand. You write I practice, then number your paper 1, 2, and 3. Copy the question, then answer. Okay, number 1, I will promote proper disposal of refuse in our household by, you write it there. Paano mo kuno ma-promote ang disposal sa mga refuse garbages sa inyong balay. Number 2, I will promote proper disposal of refuse in our school. How about ang mga proper refusal, ang mga proper segregation sa paghaboy sa basura sa school? Paano mo ma-promote? Ano ang imoon? Isulat mo din. Okay? Next, I will promote proper disposal refuse in our community. How about in your community? Paano mo maobra nga ma-refuse ang proper disposal sa inyong mga sagbot sa inyong community? Anong obrahon mo? You write it here sa number 3. Okay? Next is my action plan, environmental problem. Okay, you write I apply this. Then you copy my action plan, problem, butang mo di kung anong problem mo. For example, improper waste management. Hindi maayo nga pag-segregate sang basura. Kay tungod da, galinapta. Okay? What is the title of your study? You write it here. Proper waste management. Ano ang goal? To reduce waste disposal in our community. Amo na be? O to organize proper segregation of waste in our community. Pwede na di sa goal. Action steps. How will it happen? Okay, isa-isahon mo. Una, number 1. For example, I will create a poster that they need to put their garbage in that certain area. Okay? And number 2, 3, for asta ma-complete mo ang steps. Okay. Benefits. What positive outcome do you expect? Okay, since ang akong nga title, proper waste segregation, clean environment or clean community environment. Evaluation. How will you know when it is complete? So, isulat mo manda. So, I will know if my project is complete by having a less garbage in our community. Then, natapos mo na disulat. By the way, kapiyon mo gini ang bilog nga text, ang bilog nga table. You write part A, you copy the text sa inyong intermediate pagin. Processing questions. Have you already completed the table? Your plan of action. Complete mo na, yes or no. Among the given step, what was the most difficult to answer? Ano di ko na sa deriyo, sa 5 na steps ang nabudlayan ka. You write it here, then you explain why. Okay? That is my action plan environmental problem. Next is I test myself again. Number your paper. Write I test myself, then number your paper 1 to 10. Answer only. Choose the best answer. Okay? Amo lang na. Dayon, again, for grade 9 ayo din ng all formats will be provided in our Google Classroom. But for grade 9 carbon, sa intermediate pad ni tanan obrahon, isulat, okay? Dason kung may hindi maintindihan, pabulig sa ginikanan. Pabulig sa guardian kung hindi ka di may naintindihan. Okay? So this answer sheet including your week 1 and week 2 for my modular class, ipass nyo ni sa October 16 ang answer sheet. Hindi danay pag-ipas sa October, hindi danay pag-ipas. Ipas lang ni siya sa second week na. Okay? So kung saan o kamo bala, like for example, kami sa grade 7, amon nga hatagay is every 2 weeks. So kita amo man na dapat sa mapit sa grade 9 every 2 weeks. So this week mako amo module hindi na pagyatag, sa next week nyo pa yatag. Hindi ko sure kung sa October 16, pero sa second week pa. Okay? Amo lang na.